welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and today I am doing a Wantable unboxing. I just last week published the Wantable Active box, which is all workout clothes, and it was great. If you guys are looking for like a workout clothes subscription, it's really good. Everything, at least my first box was terrific. So maybe give that a try or watch that video. I'll put it up here so you can find it. But this is just a regular Wantable clothes unboxing, an edit is what they call. And so I don't believe I put any guidelines except for maybe comfy clothes. And also I did mark a few things in there, little scrolling clothes. I was like, oh, I might like to get that. I might like to get that. And so they'll send you things that you, some of the things that you've marked that you like, and then some things that aren't even on their little scrolling clothes thing. So that's kind of fun. Okay, let's take a look and see what they sent me. Here is my bundle. Oh, I like stripes. Okay, there looks like there's some really fun things in there. And cute bundle. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so again with Wantable, they send like a little picture of it and the prices, so that's kind of fun. You can match things up. I'll read that in just a moment. That's the prices on it. And then the return envelope. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's pretty cute. It's navy and little flower sleeveless. It's real sheer. I'm not sure I love the fabrics. It feels a little rough. And it's by Vince Camuto. So I'm gonna make a prediction. I tend to like the cut of Vince Camuto. I think their fabric, their fabric tends to be a little bit cheap for the price. I think it's overpriced. So we'll see what this price is at and see how cute it is. Because typically I like his stuff, but I don't like buying it. So that may be weird. That's just my prediction. I think this is cute. I can't wait to try it on. Oh, look at this dress. I love stripes. It's just a really fun knit dress, like super stretchy. I hope it's cute. It has a bit of a high waist, and so sometimes that's tricky with larger chests. It makes it look like an empire or something like that, or looks maternity. So, but it has this fun tie, so blue and white is amazing and perfect. So I can't wait to try that on. This t-shirt is by Z Supply, which I really like Z Supply's fabric, but I have typically hated a crisscross style. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it crisscross in the front, crisscross in the back. I don't like it. If this was just a V-neck, I would probably love it. But because they have the crisscrosses on there, I don't like it as much. And if, you know, I could always cut them off, but am I gonna cut off? I don't like cutting on brand new clothes. So it's cute. I love a gray t-shirt, but we'll see. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a little envelope. I'll show you. It's a little envelope. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I didn't know they did jewelry. All right, it's a little necklace. Oh, that's cute. It has a little gem in one and a little circle in the other, and it's gold and delicate and really adorable. Okay, I'll try that on. I didn't know they did jewelry. Okay, the next thing is, oh, this is cute. It's a baseball style tee, but look, it has little stars. That's really cute and comfy. And the creamy part, it's like an oatmeal. It's like a heathered cream. It's super stretch and soft, and okay, I can't wait to try that on. All right, so some olive Dear John, which I've tried Dear John on before, but I never bought, but I've liked it a lot and wanted a pair. These look maybe a little short for my little mom butt, but I'm gonna try it on and see how they look because they're really cute. Okay, we'll see about that. And last but not least is a pair of jeans. They're light, they're by, who is this? Meritage? they're cute. They have a little bit of distressing. They look like skinny jeans. It's a light fabric. I don't know if I need any right now. I have quite a light color like this, but who knows? They could be adorable. Super skinny ankle is what they're called. All right, let me go try all this on and we'll see how it all fits. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit and I like it. I like it a lot. The shirt is really, really cute with its little stars. It's super soft. It's not too see-through. It's nice and baggy and flowy and casual, which is fun, but with just like a little bit of fun style. And the shorts I think are cute and fun too. I think they're maybe a tiny bit tight, but that's just, you know, it's just right now, we're working on it. But they're a little bit snug in the legs, but not bad. And they're maybe a tiny bit short, but I think that if they felt a little loose there, they wouldn't feel so short. But I like them. My daughter thought they were a bit of a weird color, but they're olive. And they're cute, I think. Let me know what you think. I think this is a good first outfit. The shirt is so comfortable and casual. It's something I would pick all the time. And the shorts too. I could wear these a lot. My husband thought it was very like American, the shirt. Like it's a good 4th of July shirt. Not that we'll be going anywhere this year, but it's true. It's a really fun little shirt. Okay, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, so here's just the shirt with the same shorts on. And I showed it to my daughter and she was like, do you still hate those shirts? And I was like, yes, I do. Because I think this shirt is so cute. I love the V-neck. I love how flowy and long it is. It's super soft. The color is great, goes with everything. I think it just ruins it with this. I don't know why. If that's your style, you should ask for this shirt because it really fits great and flattering. So we'll have to see if see the price, if it's something I'd really want to keep and then cut on. But it'd have to be a pretty good price to do that. But I really like it in general. I just don't like this. Oh, I also put the necklace on. Can you see it? It's like a little diamond right there and then like a little circle one. I really like it. This is totally my style. Really dainty. I'm not big into large necklaces because I like big earrings. I like to do little necklaces and big earrings. So, okay, usually anyway. All right, well, what can you say about this? It's cute and soft and lovely. Let me go try on the next thing. Okay, so here's the dress, and I love everything about this dress in theory. Well, or maybe just except for one thing. Okay, I love the neckline. I love the stripes. I love the fabric. It's lined. There's no pockets, but that's okay. I like the back. I like the length. It's this area that's so bad. It's meant for a smaller chest because the stripes are kind of distorted. It looks maternity because it goes right under my boobs. The waist, elastic waist needed to be lower on my body type. If you have a small chest and a probably smaller chest, it would probably lay differently. It would lay lower down, but for me, it pulls everything up and lays in the wrong place. I think it's flattering up here, but then this is not good. So I'm real sad because in theory, this dress would be adorable. It's just the wrong cut right here for me. So I kind of expected it, but I'm sad about it. It was close, but can't win them all. All right, let me go try on the last outfit. Okay, as expected, I really do like this Vince Camuto shirt. Even though I don't love this fabric, I think it lays really well. I like the length of it. You could tuck it, you can front tuck it, you can leave it open. The V in the front is fun. It's a great, cute summer shirt. Very sheer. I've talked about it on other videos. It's that fabric, that polyester that I think either makes you sweat or just holds sweat in and can be stinky, or I don't know, I feel like they get really hot. I don't know what it is about this fabric that I don't love, but I really do like the shirt and maybe willing to overlook the fabric, but it feels cheap. And so this is probably gonna be dependent on the price. Again, I think Vince Camuto tends to be overpriced for the quality. So we'll put a hold on that for now, but it's a really cute shirt. Okay, so the pants. I was putting on the pants and I thought, these are so soft. Am I gonna love these? These are so stretchy. Am I gonna love these? I don't need this color. I don't really need these jeans, but I'm like, am I gonna be in love with these? And I was pretty in love with them. They're so stretchy until I did one thing. Fake pockets are a deal breaker for me. Give me practically non-existent, but give me a pocket. This is a deal breaker for me. I don't know why. It's not that I put stuff in my pocket, but this is what I would do all the time. And it would make me crazy. But if you are okay with that, they're real cute jeans. I rolled one and left one down. I think they look cuter rolled. They are so super stretchy. I love the distressing. It's really light, nothing too crazy. I think they're pretty low waist, low to mid rise. And so if that's your style, which tends to be mine, it's good. High rise is a little too much for me, but mid is perfect. So I had never heard of this brand before, and I really like these jeans, but I just can't get them. Nope, it's not happening. Okay, I will put back on my regular clothes and we'll look at pricing and make some decisions. I'll be right back. Okay, now it's time to look at the prices. So I also read my stylist note, and she said she just put things in that helps me transition into spring and was able to include things that I requested for my styling stream, I think they call it. So, okay, let's look at the prices because I think it was a mixed bag on this one. All right, the knit dress is by Gilli. Again, in theory, lovely. In like fit, just a no-go for me. And it was $58. So I think that's a reasonable price, lined, cute. If it's better on your body type, I think that's a good price. The Dear John shorts, I haven't looked at the price yet, but they tend to be a little steep, but people always really like them. Yeah, $58. I mean, you can definitely get cheaper shorts, but if you're, I don't know if I want them. $58. Is it worth $58 for these? Am I in love with the fit? I don't know if I'm in love with the fit, but I don't know if it's because it's just a little bit of extra weight I'm carrying right now, and so it'll fit better in a couple weeks or a month. So, okay, I have to think about that. I'd love your opinion on it. The jeans are a hard no. No fake pockets, not having it. I'm not having it at all. By Meritage, and they're $88. For $88, I get pockets. Sorry, it's not happening. Okay, the Star Baseball Cut Tee. Oh, $44, that's not bad. I mean, I don't think so. That's really cute and soft. I could see wearing that a lot. All right, that's probably a yes. And then the Vince Camuto. Oh my gosh, okay. It's because I said it and then I gotta be a liar. So the price is really good on this. It's $35. I think this shirt is definitely worth $35. Would it be worth $55? Not to me, it wouldn't. But $35, I could do $35 for this shirt, and definitely even more, even though it's cotton, I could do the price on this one too. So I like both of those. Those are a yes. So then the last thing is this necklace, and it's $34. I don't think that's a bad price for a necklace. I mean, you can get cheap necklaces places, but I don't have to go anywhere. Who am I kidding? I can't go anywhere. So I like this necklace a lot. I would wear it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Am I making the right choice with the two shirts? If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and the bell will give you notifications on when I post new videos. I'm about to do a trunk club, so go check out that video next if you haven't watched it. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.